Hi everyone, happy holidays. Hope everybody had a great holidays. I'm going to be opening a box today from Bulq. I'll do an unboxing. It's an uninspected returns box. So let's get right into opening that box for you. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing we got is Taki, Gory the Smart Shark. This is one of those little devices where it looks like a little stuffed animal, and it has electronics and that in it where people can use their smartphone and talk to their kids through it. So I'm sure it's a little application you install on your smartphone, and you could voice chat with kids with it. Now this box here, it looks to me like it was never open. It does have a seal on it right here. So, but what I'll do is I'll probably unbox this, open it up. Here's the seal right here. I'll unbox it, open it up, make sure all the contents are in there, and then I'll sell it as an open box item. Put that up here. Next, this brings back memories. So this is a good one. So, Rock'em Sock'em Robots. Remember this one, Knock His Block Off? So that's what this is. It has been open already, you could tell. You can see it's been resealed right here with new tape and everything on it. So same thing here. I'll open this box up, confirm all the items and everything are in it, and then we'll sell it as an open box item. This brings back memories. Pretty cool stuff. Remember playing that little thing when I was a kid, hitting the little things and knocking the other guy's little head off. Next we have a It's So Me sewing style sewing machine for a little girl. So you get your sewing machine, you get a little bag and carry your little products in it. It's a little foot switch here. This here, I can definitely tell it's been open. This is probably a return. This box is beat up pretty bad here. You can tell they try to repair it here. So same here, I'm going to open this up, confirm all the products are in it, and then we'll put this up for sale as an open box item also. Let's see what we got here. This is a clay set. This is a Melissa and Doug shape, stamp, and roll set. Has 3 rolling pins, 3 stamping cubes, 2 dough cutters, 4 tubes of dough, and more. Now this is a brand new item. I can tell it's never been opened. There's no tape or anything on it. Still has the factory seal on it. Brand new item. For salvage, incredible. I'm really happy with that. Next we got a Sell and Style Minnie Mouse. That's by Disney. Same thing here. You can tell it's been unboxed already. You can tell it's been resealed. So somebody purchased this, brought it home, didn't like it, returned it back to the store, and I ended up getting it. Again, it's been opened. I will reopen this box, confirm all the items are in it, seal it back up, and sell it as an open box item. Candyland. This here's a puzzle. 2 to 4 players, ages 3 and up. The classic game of Sweet Adventure. So this is, oh no, this isn't a puzzle, this is a game. The box is beat up a little bit here, but it still has the factory seal on it. So I'm going to sell this as probably a new item, but it'll be like a new other, and I'll indicate there's box damage to this. So, put that over here. What else we got? Skipper and Barbie. So we got a Barbie doll set here, Skipper and Barbie. It's definitely been opened up already. You can tell it's been sealed straight across here. Box package is damaged. Has a lot of damage to it. So same here. I'll confirm it has all the contents, and I'll sell this as an open box item with severe box damage. We got a little bunny rabbit here. Dreamy Huggins, it looks like. Looks like a new item. Still has tags, so I can sell this as a new item. Tags, and it's cute. Cute little bunny. So let me put this over here. I'm starting to run out of room. I have to start putting this stuff on the floor. Looks like a little training toilet seat. It's called Paw Patrol. I'm not sure about this. I don't even know if I'll put this item up for sale. I don't know. I'll have to think about this one. But there's no tags or anything on it, so I don't know. I might just toss that one or donate it. Here we have a Star Wars bobblehead. Looks like this is a new item. It's definitely factory sealed, so I'll sell this as a new item. We have another bobblehead. Star Wars bobblehead. Same thing. It's factory sealed. Hasn't been opened. New item. So I'll sell it as a new item. We have Room Essentials LED string lights. The tab here, where you seal the box, is removed, so it's definitely an open box. I'll open it up. I'll confirm that the lights work, and I'll sell this as an open box item. We have a Lego set here. Little bag of Legos. Superheroes. New item. Never been opened. Is that tape? Nope. Brand new item. So we'll sell that as new. We got a Power Rangers mask. It had a tag inside here, so I'll have to sell this as a used item. Looks like it has some electronics. Yeah. So it seems like it works still. So I'll sell this as a used item. Maybe get like $5 or $10 for it. Okay, next we got, this is one of the items I saw that I liked. I like this one here. I'll tell you, a few of the items that I saw in the box that I liked was this Talkie's here. Talkie was a good one. He influenced me purchasing this. Rock'em Sock'em Robots. The shape, stamp, and roll, and there was a few other items that I sold already and influenced me to purchase this box. This is Thomas and Friends Trackmaster, and this is Gordon. This has been open, you could tell right here, but it hasn't been open to take it out because you could still see the cardboard over. But I'll still sell this as an open item, new open item, and I'll indicate that it has some box damage. And this should be a good sell. Anything Thomas sells like that. Next we have a helicopter here. It's called a Sky Rover. It's one of those remote controlled helicopters. Looks like it takes a few AA batteries. Has a remote with it. It's called a Sky Rover Outlaw. So that's a pretty cool little device. The tape, it has tape right here, so it's been opened already. I'll sell it as an open box item. I'll open it, I'll make sure the directions and all the contents are in there. I'll verify all the contents with what they say in the box here. Once I verify, I'll sell it as an open box item. Let's see what else we got. We got Nerf Quadrant. So this is a Nerf gun. Sometimes you get these in, and they won't have all the darts and that in them. But this has the darts, and I'll probably sell this as a used item. I mean, look, you could just tell they put tape over it. So they could have took it home and used it, you know. I won't risk selling it as a new item or a new other. I'll just sell it as a used item. Put maybe a price on there, $8 or so, maybe $5 for the item, maybe $4 shipping. Shipping costs anymore. You gotta really raise, put the shipping up there a bit. Something like this is probably, it's probably £1. So you definitely have to be careful in the shipping, especially if you're selling it and it's cross country. Okay, we got another Lego Superheroes. One of these kits that are in a bag. Again, it's a brand new item. So I should be able to get at least a few bucks for that. Shipping won't be that much on it. It's very light, so it's in the ounces, maybe 2 or 3 ounces here. So as long as it's 4 ounces or below, you can go in on priority. It's probably about 2, 3, probably I'd lean more towards $3 to shipping this. May even be able to put a few stamps on it, but I'll just send it as priority first class, and it'll probably cost me about $3, and I'll sell for maybe $2 or so. Yeah, I won't make much on here with the fees and everything, but at least it's a new item, and I can just, you know, it's light to ship and everything. Okay, so we're down to our last item here. This is a felt play set, the little unicorns on it. It does still have this on there, which holds the tag, but I can't sell it as a new item because it doesn't have tags. It has this one here, but there should be another tag here. So I'll sell this as an open box item, and we'll see how it goes. Hey, I'll have to confirm all the items and everything are in here. And with something like this, what I normally do, I'll check this just to make sure everything's in it. If it's not, you know, then I'll sell it as a used item. Maybe somebody would want to pick it up. Let's see what else. That's it. So that's the end of the box. So thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, any comments, please post them, and I'll get back to you. Have a great day. Thanks.